Hi, in this video we're going to go over the brand kit in Canva. So this is what the screen looks like when you log into Canva. You have all of your recent designs, the recommended templates, all that good stuff. And then over here on the side is the brand kit. You can see it more on my mouse. You click on it, brand kit. And this is where all of the information about our specific branding is located. So you can see that we went ahead and uploaded all of our available logos. The only thing that's missing in here, I think, is Webster, but we can get that added. And they're all the exact right colors, all of that. So you can be confident knowing that these are the right logos to use for Web Feet Complete materials. Down here are our brand colors. So the two primary colors, the darker blue and darker green, and then the secondary colors, the lighter green and lighter blue. If you click on them, you can see that they have the exact hex values there. And if we ever change our branding, we can go in and change these, or if we add more colors, we can add those in here. And you type in the, I don't know how to delete that. Crap. Oh, shoot. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hello, delete. Okay. And then over here on the side, we have our fonts. So every heading, whenever you open up a blank canvas in Canva for a new design and you click on the type tool and it'll say insert a heading, it will insert this exact font. And then if you click subheadings, it'll insert this one, and body, it'll insert this one. And these are our brand fonts that we use. You have the option to use other fonts as well. It'll give you the option to change it and stuff like that, and we'll go over that in another video. But these are the exact brand fonts that we use. And if anything changes, if we rebrand and change things, it's really easy to come in here. If you want to remove a logo, you can delete it. If you want to download it, or if you want to extract the color palette. So let's say we create a whole new logo that's a whole new color scheme. And we delete all of these, we upload the new one, and then we want to just go ahead and extract the color palette from that logo. We can click on that, and it'll automatically do that for us, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's the brand kit. If you have any questions, let me know. And there will be more videos explaining other parts of Canva that we can use.